Hey everybody, Garrett Hunt with Huntscape Operations Partners here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about landing pages, how easy HubSpot can make them for you, but also some other things that you need to know before you just start publishing landing pages. Landing pages are really useful for event registration, webinar signups. Um, New businesses will use them to gauge interest in their product or service before they actually build full websites. So build a landing page and then do a small portion of advertising, driving people to that landing page to gauge public interest. So HubSpot allows us to do this pretty easily using templates and themes that they have pre-established, which is pretty straightforward, but it's a good business practice because the further people get into your system, the harder it is to rip it out and replace it. So they want you to be able to do it easily. So this is how we do it. You come into your HubSpot, and you come over here to the left where it says content, right? You hover over the content tab, and then you can see landing pages right here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to a menu of anybody that or any landing pages that you've already got. We're going to create a new one, right? So we're going to come up here and click this orange button that says create landing page. It's going to show you a website address. So in your general setup, you should have already established a landing page or other domains that would host pages for you, and then use your page name. Choose a naming convention. I can't stress this enough, a naming convention. I always start with year, month, and then the day that I publish stuff. It just helps with organization down the road. Do it with landing pages, emails, forms, workflows. Name them all so you can organize them. We're going to create our page, and then it's going to bring us to another page that's going to ask us to choose a template. It's going to say, what theme do you want? And then once you choose a theme, then you can choose a template. We are going to choose, let's do contact us. Let's select this template. Right? So as you can see, everything's already pre-built in here. You just need to replace the image and the data that's in here. This is great because it saves you a lot of time having to add these different pieces to it. So anything you see highlighted in a blue box is something that you would have had added on your own and would have cost you time. But if you can just use one of their templates, even better. You just click on it and edit, come in and play with it, see what all pieces you can edit, which all pieces that you can't edit. If you have specific questions around this, please let us know. But it's pretty straightforward. You can clone sections if you wanted to do double up on something and you didn't want to have to come over here and look through all the drag and drop pieces. So if you click this plus button, it's going to show you all the different things that you can drag and drop in there. Just like that. You can see I just drug that button in there. It says learn more. You can even edit what that button says. So it's really a powerful tool, but you're going to have to get in and get your hands dirty and just play with it. Like I said, if you have specific questions, let us know. Reach out to us in LinkedIn or on our website. There is something I want to touch on before you just start going and publishing landing pages all willy-nilly, and that's some things to help out your SEO. We want to help you out, and we don't want you to have to pay somebody for SEO, at least not right up front. So if you come up here and you click on this button that says settings, it's going to ask you for a page title. The page title is what's going to show up on the tiles at the top of the screen when you open it, but it's also vital for SEO because it's going to scroll through and it's going to grab this page title. So let's say we're, setting up the page for our ABM coaching program. Coaching for SMBs. Right? Do not go over this character limit. If you are going to go over it, it's going to exceed it. Make sure that whatever you want the SEO to be optimized for goes at the front of the sentence so that it gets caught. If it's over that limit, it's going to get truncated and it's not going to be effective for search engine optimization. You're going to scroll down. Meta description is the next important thing. You need to put a description in here that, as you can see, as we're typing, it's also got a character limit on it. You want to stay underneath that limit. SEO is going to scroll through your page. It's going to look for all the keys that it's searching for, and meta description is one of the things. So ABM coaching course for SMBs to optimize their database, right? So it's a short description, but it's pretty powerful for getting SEO. You can have a featured image on here if you want. You click that and it's going to be, if people are looking at your results and search, say type in, ABM programs for small businesses, the Google search is going to come up. This featured image is going to be the picture people see, the little thumbnail that they see before they click on it. Okay, the next thing is if you're adding images within your landing page, for any reason whatsoever, right? If you choose a section, let's see, body content, let's see, media, let's see, image grid, any image that you add. So say we add an image here, right? When you do that, it's going to have you add an alt text. Alt text you need to fill in as well for SEO purposes. So it needs to be whatever term you want people to search for, right? ABM coaching program, SMB for ABM program, if we're using our previous example. But the alt text needs to be filled in for every image that you add to your landing page. That's going to trigger your search engine optimization as well. Next thing that we want to do is we want to look at this optimize tab over here on the left. It's going to tell you everything that you need to correct or fix or add to optimize your page for SEO and so that it can be found. Right? We can see add missing or blank image alt text. So all these things here don't have the alt text that we need. Everything else looks good. So it's even telling us that we need to add this alt text here on our image that we're going to add to make sure that SEO kicks in. I hope that this was very helpful for you guys. If you have specific questions, like I said, reach out to us on LinkedIn, reach out to us on our website. You can schedule time directly with myself, or you can just click contact us and either me or my partner Rick will reach out to you. Like, share, and subscribe to the video. We'll see you in the next one, and good luck.